It's a non-Newtonian fluid, cornstarch and water. When you stand still, you sink, but if you step or push down...
I don't need to walk anymore.
Okay, here, go. Now jump on it. Okay, now dance. See, she doesn't sink. Now she's still. Okay, Taylor. All right, stand on it, Taylor. Now dance.
Okay, good workout. Oh, yeah.